written by Evyenia Michellis. When I go hiking, it's a family affair. I walk through the bush and I breathe the fresh air. When I go hiking, I find waterfalls. Sometimes they're gushing and sometimes they're small. When I go hiking, I prefer sunny skies. I don't like the rain, as I like to stay dry. When I go hiking, I pick up the leaves. I find different shapes that fall off the trees. When I go hiking, I like to find rocks. I wear hiking boots and very thick socks. When I go hiking and it's blowing a breeze, I put on my jacket so I don't freeze. When I go hiking, I see lots of birds. I listen to their tweets. Some I've never heard. When I go hiking, I see butterflies. They're all pretty colors and different in size. When I go hiking, I climb lots of stairs. I often see bugs. But I never see bears. When I go hiking, I see pretty views. I peek through the trees and see lakes that are blue. When I go hiking and I reach the top, I'm filled with pride, 'cause I didn't stop. I go back home. I'm a little tired, but as I lie in bed, I feel inspired. Now it's your turn to go on a hike. See what you find. It may blow your mind. Wow, what a great story! There is nothing better than being outside, breathing the fresh air, and exploring the wonders of nature. Isn't it beautiful, friends? Hey, can you remember some of the things we might get to see on a hike? There are so many great things, like waterfalls. There are so many waterfalls out there in the world. Some are so big you have to tilt your head right up to see them. Ow! My neck hurts. And some are so small and calm you can even go swimming in them. Hey, have you ever just stopped to listen to the sound of flowing water? It is one of the most relaxing sounds ever. Hey, what are some of your favorite things about nature? Until next time, friends, always remember to go outside and explore. The world is such a beautiful place. See you soon.